What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin, back at it again. Today's day 11 of the hot compost bin. Everything's looking pretty nice right now. Just got to keep incorporating the water and keep turning it and just keep letting it break down. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you're thinking. If you've done it, if you think it's going good. Up on top again. Still at that 100-degree mark, which is good. I'll open it up and see how the middle's looking. So in the center, it's only 110 right now, but we did just have a pop-up thunderstorm, so everything's breaking down real nice. I don't know if you can kind of tell on the picture, but I'm not having, there's a few pine needles you can see there, but the pine needles and the grass clippings, they're all kind of breaking down into like a brown matter, which is what we're looking for. Same deal as before. Stuff that was on the outside, where the pitchfork is, that was on the inside. And then I had some lettuce and kale start going to seed, so I ripped that up. I'm going to throw that in there now too. This is why it's important to turn it. This still kind of has that look of the pine needles. That was on the outside of the pile. Now I'm depositing that in the middle with a little bit of this, the green, the kale and the lettuce, the green material, nitrogen rich. So hopefully it kind of kicks this heat back up. The moisture level is doing a lot better than the other day. If I squeeze it, there's no water that comes out, but I can hear it. It sounds moist, and I'm hoping it comes through on the camera that it looks pretty moist. So I'm happy about that. This was in the middle of the pile. See how there's a couple little drops coming out? With that happening like that, I'm not gonna add any more water right now. I'll give it a day and then I'll start incorporating water again tomorrow. Okay, the top of the pile still sitting right at around 100 degrees. Today I'm also going to be starting something different. I don't know if you can kind of see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. If I take that down, it'll only be about 20 inches high. When I first started, it was 32 inches high. It was 8 of these squares high. So instead of continuing to keep putting it around this fencing, I'm going to actually take that away after today and just cover it with a tarp. Okay, so it's down to about 110 right now. I do have some extra green material I will add to it, but it's starting to look really nice. It's getting very dark looking, which is good. It means stuff's breaking down. Start getting the stuff that was on the outside into the center. I have a bucket of green. I'm going to incorporate 2, and then I'm just going to try to build it a little higher this time so we have a little bit more weight to help break everything down. I'm still finding stuff in the pile. Woo! It's hot. Very humid right now. Still incorporating the water. So I truly hope that the darkness of this is coming through on the camera. It is breaking down. It's doing great. This is 14 days. So this is the 2nd week. And it's breaking down remarkably well. I figured at this point now, instead of trying to fill up the whole bin, I'll do it like this so I can pile it a little bit higher. And then that's also going to help shed any water as it rains. And I'm going to cover it with a tarp. Nothing extra special, just enough that it keeps the majority of the water off of it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.